Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Hit the bell icon button so that you don't miss out any tutorial.
In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to open a Microsoft advertising account. So to start, go to this URL. Or alternatively, go to your browser. And in your browser, do a search for Microsoft Advertising. Now in the search results, you probably will see something different, but you will click on the one that says Microsoft Advertising. You may also see another result that says Microsoft Advertising, formerly Bing Ads. It depends on your location. So I'll click on it. And on this page, go to the top and click on Sign Up Now. So the sign up process uses your Microsoft account. If you have one, then simply sign in. If not, then you need to create a new one, so you will just click on Create One. You can create a Microsoft account using your existing email address or create a new email address entirely. This process is easy. I'm not going to cover all the steps because it really just involves adding your name, email, phone, standard information, so just fill in each section and your Microsoft advertising account will be created. After you've created your account, there are two settings that you should configure when first logging in. Firstly, you will have a choice to import your campaigns from Google Ads or start a new campaign. I suggest you skip this step as it is not relevant. Even if you have a Google Ads account, it will be more valuable for you to go through the steps of creating new campaigns using the Microsoft Advertising panel. Secondly, you will have to select your payment method. There are three options for payment. There is prepay. This means that you will only be able to run ads while your account has money in it. So if you spend all the money, then your campaigns will stop running. I prefer this because I think I have more control over my campaigns. If I forget about them, I will only be charged for the money I have in my account. The second option is post-pay threshold. This is completely opposite. Once your account reaches a certain balance, then you will be charged automatically and the campaign continues to run. This option is valuable if you don't want to keep recharging your account and want everything just to be running and fully automatic. The third option is known as a monthly invoice. Basically, you can run your ads and then pay at the end of each month. Also, keep in mind that depending on the option you select, you will have different payment methods. As you can see in this screenshot, prepay payments have the most varieties of different payments accepted. In your account, select the option that is most appealing to you. There is no better or worse option, it's purely a personal choice when you set up your account. Do not worry, this step is not permanent, in that you will be able to change your payment method in the future. So after you complete this step, then your Microsoft advertising account is set up and active, and ready for your fresh campaign to start. In this lesson, I want to share with you what I like to call as the three pillars of a winning Microsoft advertising campaign. Every campaign is made up of three levels, and each level serves its purpose in testing different aspects of your campaign. You will have to learn how to navigate through these levels and how to properly configure each level so that you can create winning ad campaigns. All of this information will be covered when we get to the lesson on setting up your Microsoft ad campaigns. For now, it is important that you are aware of the structure of this campaign. So at the very top of your campaign, you have the campaign level. At the campaign level, you set up the main settings for your campaign. This includes your budget, the location that you want to target, and the language of your offer. Next, you have the ad group level. On this level, you create ad groups for keyword sets. In an upcoming lesson, you will learn how to find your keywords and how to set these up in your ad groups. But as a general rule, you should have multiple ad groups with 2 to 5 keywords in each ad group. The lowest level consists of your ads. Here, you will be testing different variations of your ads. You could test headlines, ad descriptions, you could highlight different features and benefits in your ads. Here is a view of a more developed campaign structure. The reason for this structure is that you will be testing many different variations of your ads, keywords, and even locations that you are targeting. This structure makes it easy for you to test and optimize your campaigns. If you have a couple of keywords in each ad group, it will be easier for you to figure out which keywords convert and which are just costing you money. Also, if you have the same ads in each ad group, you will discover which keyword groups performs best to your ads. You can then more easily learn how to write more convincing ads that get better quality clicks. But it takes some time to set this structure up, and then you have to buy enough traffic to arrive at valid conclusions as to what's performing well and what isn't performing. We will cover all of these levels in the following lessons, but it will be helpful for you to already be aware of the structure of your Microsoft advertising campaign, because this is what you will set up when you go through the step-by-step campaign setup tutorial. You will set up your campaign, you will set up numerous ad groups, and you will add advertisements to each ad group.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, do give us a thumbs up and share it. Also check out amazing discounts and offers on our premium courses in the description below.